Hello friends. Welcome to Purushottam Academy. In this video, we will discuss career as an electrical and electronics engineer. About electrical and electronics engineer. Electrical and electronics engineering is one type of engineering which is growing rapidly and has enormous career options. It is a form of engineering associated with electronic circuits, devices, and the equipment and systems that use them. The field of electronic engineering is so vast that includes a variety more specific electronic engineering fields that include digital electronics, analog electronics, consumer electronics, embedded systems and power electronics. Engineering in electronics deals with the study and application of electronics, electricity and electromagnetism. Electrical engineers perform detailed calculations to develop manufacturing, construction, and installation standards and specifications. They design new ways to use electrical power to develop or improve products, analyze customer needs and determine the requirements, capacity, and cost for developing an electrical system plan and develop maintenance and testing procedures for electronic components and equipment. There are various career paths for bachelors in electronics engineering that includes radio frequency design and mobile communications, electronic control systems, telecommunications, electronic product design, control and power electronics, consumer electronics, signal processing, military and aeronautical electronics. Eligibility to become electrical and electronics engineer. Following is the criteria of eligibility for an electronics engineering aspirants. For diploma holders. Diploma holders must clear class 10 with 50% aggregate marks in physics, math and chemistry, PCM, stream. For BE or BTech degree holders. Candidates have to pass 10 plus to schooling with 50% aggregate marks in physics, math and chemistry, PCM, stream. Every candidate wishing to pursue a degree in electrical engineering has to pass the entrance test that is conducted by various boards and universities. Depending on their score, candidates are enrolled in a particular university. Types of job roles: electrical and electronics engineer. Electronics engineering aims to deepen the knowledge and skills of the aspirants on the basic concepts and theories that will equip them in their professional work. There are numerous electronics engineer job profiles in the field of electronics engineering. Following are some of the job profiles for electronics engineer that one can opt for. Biomedical engineers. They combine engineering principles with medical sciences that aims to design and create devices, equipment, computer systems, and software used in healthcare. Aerospace engineers. These engineers are primarily responsible to design spacecraft, aircraft, satellites, and missiles. Additionally, they create and test prototypes to make sure that they function according to design. Computer hardware engineers. These engineers have a job to design, research, develop, and test computer systems and components such as circuit boards, processors, networks, routers, memory devices, etc. Electrical and electronics engineering technicians. They help the engineers to develop and design the computers, communications equipment, medical monitoring devices, navigational equipment, and other electrical and electronic equipment. Electrical and electronics engineering technicians are involved in the manufacture and deployment of equipment for automation and work in product evaluation and testing, and use measuring and diagnostic devices to adjust, test, and repair equipment. Engineering managers. They are responsible to plan, direct, and coordinate activities in architectural and engineering companies. Electricians. Their job is to maintain, install, and repair electrical power, communications, lighting, and control systems in businesses, homes and factories. Electromechanical technicians. They operate, test, and maintain unmanned, automated, robotic, or electromechanical equipment. They combine their knowledge of mechanical technology with knowledge of electrical and electronic circuits. Electrical and electronics installers and repairers. They are responsible to install or repair a variety of electrical equipment in telecommunications, transportation, utilities, and other industries. Sales engineers. Sales engineers must have an extensive knowledge of the product's parts and functions. They must understand the scientific processes that make the products work to sell complex scientific and technological products or services to businesses. Network and computer systems administrators. For carrying out day-to-day operations of the computer networks, network and computer systems administrators are responsible. Employment sector industry for electrical and electronics engineer. The field of electronics engineering opens great career prospects for the aspirants willing to make their career in electronics engineering. Aspirants after completion of their degree can easily avail various electronics engineer employment opportunities. Some of the top industries sectors that require an electronics engineer are listed below. Corporate businesses, MNCs, consulting firms, teaching, research and development, engineering firms, automotive industry, data communication, oil and gas industry, technical publishing, logistics, IT, science journalism, power generation industry. Top recruiting companies for electrical and electronics engineer. There are various companies that recruit electronics engineer. Some of the leading recruiting companies for electronics engineer where one can find employment opportunities are listed below. Bajaj Electricals Limited, Siemens, Alstom Corporate, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Wipro Lighting Corporate, Schneider Electric, Havels India Limited, ABB India Limited, Encco Limited, Kirloskar Electric Company Limited, Ace Bimetallics India Private Limited, Balar Marketing Private Limited, ES Electronics India Private Limited, Crompton Greaves, HBM Power System, Microtech, Modern Electrical Stores, Eveready Industries India Limited. Pros of becoming an electrical and electronics engineer. There are abundant job opportunities for electronics engineer worldwide. There is a job flexibility in this profession. One can easily change to a different field within electrical engineering. Therefore, there is great fluidity within the different fields. Engineers often escalate to management positions and earn excellent package over the life of their careers. With additional education, engineers can also become doctors, lawyers, writers, teachers, and business people. Engineers can choose to work in a variety of industries including aerospace, computer, telecommunications, and manufacturing industries. Cons of becoming an electrical and electronics engineer. There can be a huge amount of workload that can make one's job stressful, especially when the equipment or structure has the potential to impact human life. Jobs in this field can be unpredictable. Due to the nature of the job, electrical engineers risk personal injury. Such dangers include the possibility of electrical shock. Jobs in this field can have a competitive atmosphere for promotion. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications.